Hi again folks, how you all doing? This is just a quick video to update you on the Suttons Locomotive Workshop Class 24 that I worked on recently for David. Jenny from Real Exclusive very kindly sent me some spares free of charge, including a complete bogie, a whole bogie assembly, and various other bits and pieces from a bogie for a Class 24. I would have been quite happy to pay for these, but Jerry said that they like to help their customers as much as possible, so they were sent to me with no charge. So take note, other manufacturers with your overpriced spares and postage costs. I'm not naming names, but as someone who buys a lot of spares, including from some manufacturers, it was very, very refreshing to be offered some spares for free. And extremely helpful, especially when, in this case, it wasn't a case of the parts failing, it was just an accident. The model got dropped, pieces were broken. So for Real Exclusive to offer the parts for free, I think is excellent service. So a big thank you to Jenny and Real Exclusive. I think they deserve a big round of applause.
Fair play. Whoa! Jings, Becky, no again, hen? Aye, just as well Bobby's no here, she'd have your guts for garters.
So I've replaced the broken part, just as well I did, because the epoxy glue had failed and it had broken apart again. It was still quite secure because it was screwed in with the 2B screws, but yeah, just as well I had the replacement part. So yeah, very grateful for these spares. So put it all together, it was very useful having the complete bogie supply. It's the first time I've seen one of these that was actually complete, because the other Class 24 I'd worked on, it had some bits that had fallen off as well, and I wasn't entirely sure what went where. So to see one, complete, it was very, very useful. And with the bits and bobs that Jenny supplied, I was able to make sure that both bogies on the model were complete, as they would have been when the model was new. It wasn't too difficult to replace the part. Yes, I had to clip out the pickups from the plastic rivets, but I just pushed them onto the new part and then just squished the plastic rivet and it was fine. So yeah, quite a simple job. So yes, very pleased to get that properly repaired, and I shall get it sent back off to David. Okay folks, catch us later.